More and more people are seeking a simpler life, one that is free from the constant noise and stress of urban environments. They are tired of the hustle and bustle of city life, where every day feels like a race against time. The desire to be self-sufficient is strong, as people yearn to grow their own food and generate their own energy. People want to live sustainably and in harmony with nature, reducing their carbon footprint and preserving the environment for future generations. This is why off-grid living is gaining popularity. It's a lifestyle that offers freedom and a deeper connection to the natural world. Off-grid living means being independent from public utilities, relying on renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. You generate your own power, ensuring that you have a reliable and sustainable energy supply. You collect your own water, often through rainwater harvesting systems or natural sources like streams and rivers. You manage your waste responsibly, using composting and recycling to minimize your environmental impact. It's a return to a more natural way of life, where you are in tune with the rhythms of the earth. This lifestyle appeals to those who value freedom and self-reliance, who want to build their own homes and create their own communities. It's about taking control of your life, making decisions that align with your values and priorities. You make conscious choices about your impact on the planet, striving to live in a way that is both ethical and sustainable. Off-grid living is a rejection of consumerism. It embraces simplicity. The benefits are numerous, from financial savings to improved mental health. Imagine fresh air, clean water, and homegrown food, all contributing to a healthier and more fulfilling lifestyle. Picture starry nights free from light pollution, where you can truly appreciate the beauty of the cosmos. Think about the peace and quiet that comes from living in nature, away from the constant noise and distractions of modern life. This is the allure of off-grid living. It's a chance to reconnect with what truly matters and find a sense of purpose and contentment. Many individuals and families have successfully transitioned to off-grid living. Their stories are inspiring and serve as a testament to the possibilities of a simpler, more sustainable way of life. Take, for instance, the Smiths. They left their corporate jobs in the city, seeking a more meaningful and self-sufficient lifestyle away from the hustle and bustle. They built a cozy cabin in the woods, using natural materials and their own hands, creating a sanctuary that blends seamlessly with the environment. Now, they power their home with solar panels, harnessing the energy of the sun to meet all their electricity needs. They grow their own food in a thriving vegetable garden, ensuring they have fresh, organic produce year-round. They say they've never been happier, finding joy in the simplicity and tranquility of their new lifestyle. Then there's Sarah, a single woman who embraced off-grid living with a passion for sustainability and minimalism. She wanted a simpler, more sustainable lifestyle, one that allowed her to connect deeply with nature and live with intention. She built a tiny house using recycled materials, demonstrating creativity and resourcefulness in every aspect of her home. She collects rainwater and uses a composting toilet, minimizing her environmental footprint and living in harmony with the earth. Sarah's story shows that off-grid living is achievable for anyone, regardless of their background or circumstances. These are just two examples of the many people who have found joy and fulfillment in off-grid living, each with their unique journey and experiences. Their experiences demonstrate that it's possible to live a fulfilling life without relying on traditional systems, embracing a lifestyle that prioritizes sustainability, self-sufficiency, and a deep connection to nature. Creating your own off-grid paradise requires careful planning and a deep understanding of sustainable living practices. There are essential elements to consider, each playing a crucial role in your self-sufficient lifestyle. First and foremost is a reliable energy source, which is the backbone of any off-grid home. Solar panels are a popular choice due to their efficiency and ability to harness the sun's energy. They convert sunlight into electricity, providing a renewable and eco-friendly power source. Wind turbines are another option, especially in areas with consistent wind patterns. They harness the power of the wind, turning it into usable energy for your home. Next, you need a system for collecting and storing water, which is vital for daily living. Rainwater harvesting is a sustainable solution that reduces dependency on external water sources. It involves collecting rainwater from roofs and directing it into storage systems for later use. You can also dig a well if groundwater is available. Water is precious and must be conserved. It must be used wisely, ensuring that every drop counts in your off-grid lifestyle. Your off-grid home should be designed for energy efficiency to minimize resource consumption. Consider alternative building materials like straw bales or earth bags, which are both natural and sustainable. They are natural and sustainable. Proper insulation is crucial to maintaining a comfortable living environment. It reduces the need for heating and cooling, making your home more energy efficient and eco-friendly. Off-grid living is about living in harmony with nature. You learn to rely on renewable resources. Solar energy provides electricity for lighting, appliances, and more. Wind power can supplement your energy needs, especially in windy locations. Water is essential for life. Collecting rainwater is a sustainable way to meet your water needs. Installing gutters on your roof channels the water into storage tanks. You can then filter and purify the water for drinking. Growing your own food is incredibly rewarding. Create an organic garden to provide fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Consider raising chickens for eggs or goats for milk. Composting food scraps and garden waste creates nutrient-rich fertilizer. Section 5. Living in Harmony, Eco-Friendly Practices for Off-Grid Life. Off-grid living goes hand in hand with eco-friendly practices. It's about minimizing your impact on the environment. Reduce, reuse, and recycle are guiding principles. Composting reduces waste and provides natural fertilizer. Use biodegradable soaps and cleaning products. Avoid harsh chemicals that can harm the environment. Conserve water by using low-flow shower heads and faucets. Every little bit helps. Embrace a simpler lifestyle. Focus on experiences rather than material possessions. Connect with nature. Appreciate the beauty around you. Off-grid living is an opportunity to live more sustainably. Section 6. Finding your tribe. The importance of community in off-grid living. While off-grid living may seem solitary, community plays a vital role. Connect with other off-grid enthusiasts. Share knowledge, resources, and support. Attend workshops and gatherings to learn from experienced individuals. Online forums and social media groups provide platforms for connecting with like-minded people. You can ask questions, share tips, and find inspiration from others on a similar journey. Remember, you're not alone in this. Many off-grid communities organize events and gatherings. These provide opportunities to socialize, learn new skills, and exchange goods and services. Building relationships with your neighbors is essential. Section 7. Overcoming Challenges. Practical Tips for a Smooth Transition. Transitioning to off-grid living does come with its challenges. Thorough planning is crucial. Start by researching suitable locations. Consider factors like climate, access to resources, and local regulations. Create a realistic budget. Outline the costs of land, building materials, energy systems, and ongoing expenses. Explore financing options such as loans or grants specifically for sustainable living projects. Familiarize yourself with local building codes and regulations. Some areas may have restrictions on off-grid living. Obtain any necessary permits before you begin construction. Section 8. Reaping the Rewards. The transformative power of off-grid living. The rewards of off-grid living extend far beyond the practical benefits. It's a transformative experience that can enrich your life in countless ways. You'll develop a deeper connection with nature. You'll appreciate the simple things. You'll gain valuable skills, from gardening and food preservation to basic construction and renewable energy management. This newfound self-sufficiency is empowering. It boosts your confidence. Off-grid living promotes a healthier lifestyle. You'll be more active, breathe fresh air, and eat fresh organic food. The peace and quiet of nature can reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Section 9. Your off-grid adventure awaits. A journey of self-discovery and sustainability. Off-grid living is not just a lifestyle, it's a journey of self-discovery and sustainability. It's about taking control of your life, reducing your environmental impact, and living in harmony with nature. It's about embracing simplicity, self-sufficiency, and community. If you're yearning for a more meaningful and sustainable way of life, off-grid living might be the adventure you've been searching for. With careful planning, a spirit of adventure, and a commitment to sustainability, you can create your own off-grid paradise. Take the first step towards your off-grid dream. Research, explore, and connect with others who have paved the way. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are immeasurable.